Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you've subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, there's a bell for notifications when I upload a new video. I do have a little card trick for you now. What I do is I do a quick shuffle, a very quick shuffle, and if you was here you could shout out 4 of a kind. That could be like 4 aces, 4 5, 4 jacks, 4 sevens, but you're not here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fan back there and just drop that one there, yeah? Now let's just see what that card is. That is the Queen, yeah? So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to find the other queens. So you've got 4 queens, 4 of a kind, yeah? So let's see. Where are the queens? There's one. Any more queens? Any more? There's 1, there's 2. I've missed one somewhere. Let's try again. There's 3 queens there. Where's the 4th queen gone? Excuse me while I'm trying to find the other queen. She should be here somewhere. There she is. I missed her. There she is there. So we'll shuffle these cards a little bit more there. We'll show you the queens in a minute, but in fact I tell you what I'll do, because there's way too many cards in, I'm having trouble holding them up. I'm just going to lose some cards, so let's just see. Let's just do that. So even now they're falling all over the place there. I'm going to get rid of them cards there. So we'll pick up those cards there. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll shuffle them a little bit more. Just so you can see that they are all shuffled. Even in my own trouble shuffling it. Now what I'm going to do is I'll hold them that way. That's it. And you can see there that there's some random cards there. I think they're random. I don't know. I can't see. But I'll now show you your queens. Yeah. There's your queen. There's one. We'll just chuck it in there. Say there's another queen there. Yeah. And we'll just chuck it in. Say there. There's another queen there. And we'll chuck it in. Say there. And then there's your final queen there, and we'll chuck it in safe there. And I'm only looking because I don't want to drop the cards. That's the only reason why I'm looking. And that's what I'll do, just to be a little bit more, I'll just shuffle them up a little bit more. Now let's try and stop doing shuffling, because I'm getting a bit worn out. So let's just do some of that, say. Right, so that's really shuffled them up quite a bit there, isn't it? So, in fact, let's just do a couple of little card cuts. I'm going to kind of fan them out that way to make it just a little bit easier for me to cut the cards, because I don't want to be dropping cards all over the place. So let's just do that, say. And then just to be a little bit more fun, we say there's 2 cards there. Do you want to put them down or do you want to flip them? So you could just drop them down there, or you could flip them. Yeah? You could say, do you want to drop them or do you want to flip them? We'll drop them, say. Do you want to flip them? We'll flip them. There's 2 there. Do you want to flip them? We'll flip them. Do you want to flip them? We'll flip them, or we'll just drop them 2 there. Yeah. So that's a bit of fun there, which is kind of really shuffle up even more. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do it again this way again. We'll just like look that way, and we'll just cut the cards a few more times. Cut the cards, say there. I'll do one more cut. Say there. Yeah. And then let's make it even more fun. Let's put out, say, 4 cards this time, and then do you want to drop it or do you want to flip it? So we'll flip that one straight away, say, and then we'll say there's some cards there. Do you want to drop that or flip that card? We'll flip that one as well. Well, this one we'll just drop, and that one we will flip. Yeah, and then we'll pick up the cards. We'll straighten them up a little bit more, just so I can try and cut them. Can I cut them? Can I straighten them up? I don't know. Right, there we go. So they're straighten up. So let's do some more cutting there. So let's do a cut there. Let's do a cut there. And let's do a final cut, say, there. Yeah. So what I'm now going to do is I'm now going to just deal the cards into 4 piles. And you can see there that there's some cards facing up, there's some cards facing down. Yeah. I'm doing this slow because I'm struggling to stay holding the cards. That's an MS thing really. So let's just do that. And then to make it even more fun, I'm now going to say we'll pop those cards over there, and we'll straighten them up there so they'll be out of the way. We'll do that, and we'll put them over there, and then we've got one little lot there, and we'll just say we'll put them over there. Bump. And there we go. So they are the cards there. Now I can have these either way, to be honest with you. I'll put them that way because then we'll put them that way so the cards are facing up. Now what I'm now going to do is I'm going to attempt to turn back time. There's only one way to turn back time. That's with the aid of the Doctor. What's the Doctor got? He has got a sonic screwdriver. This is a John Pertwee sonic screwdriver, Doctor number 3. So I'm going to try and turn back time over the cards with my sonic. Time is being turned back. It's being turned back as I wave it over there. That's enough turning the back time. So now what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to pull the cards all over there, and you can see, maybe you can't see, but there are cards which are facing up and there are cards which are facing down. There's that card which is facing down, that card which is facing down, that card there which is facing down, and that card there which is facing down. And all those cards there, I'm going to try and quickly show them, but they're all facing up cards there. Just in case you can't see it from that camera angle, they're all facing up there. And they're all facing up there. And these are the cards that are facing down, because I turn back time to produce your 4 of a kind. And that, my friends, is magic.